Hello and welcome to monkeyhappy.com stage 771. This is chapter 11 of Release the Beast. Let's go ahead and pick up all these cubes, pick up the clues. This dude, he wants stuff with a hook and a helmet. Go inside here, pick up all the stuff here. Go upstairs. Okay, we see the first clue, which is north 3, east 1. So north is 3 and east is 1. West is 2, south is 3. Like that. We've got some objects. We've also got a clue here, 495. And here we got 618. So 495, 618. And we've got this clue 4531. So 4531. Go in here and keep collecting objects. Put that in there. Now we've got this ornament part to combine and put in here. We've got these marbles which you can stick in here. This goes up the top here. We've got these two bits to put together and put them in here. And the staff parts come together. They open up this. Then this hot dog goes into the bun. Goes onto the sausage dog. Combine these two ornament parts. Put that in there. Combine these two parts and go up here. Now we've got these two bits to combine. We've got the snorkel to combine. We got the key to use somewhere, I can't remember, but I'll put that in here for now. The sharp hook. You can start slicing these bits and pulling this down. Okay, the red key opens up this. The ornament parts come together, and here we see the first one. You see the E on the actual ornament, so turn it to that one there, and then we got 1 2 3 3 2 1, 1 2 3 3 2 1. That opens up that, and as you can see, this is the E. Now here we've got the arrow pointing down. Then we have this triangle which is up here, and then we've got this little man. Okay, combine these two ornaments and stick the first one in there, and as we can see, we've got 44 cubes so far. There are a couple more to get somewhere. Just making sure I didn't leave something behind. 45 cubes. Okay, let's try and open up this first clue, which is the H. And then it's 4 3 2 2 3 4. 4 3 2 2 3 4. It opens up that. Then we get the second slot, which is that symbol there. And it's 314 1 4 4 1 3. pull this down as well. And then we've got this airplane symbol, and we've got 215. That was right. 512. And finally we've got 15551 and the symbol. Okay, we got 50 cubes, put them in the basket, give them to this guy, combine helmet and the hook, give to this guy, combine these two ornament parts and go upstairs, put that in here, and as you can see the H the H, and then here you got the symbols or the numbers, the dots represent the numbers, sorry. So that's 1 1 1 1 because of the dots, so 6 ones, and the H symbol. Push that to open, and there you go. That's how you complete monkeyhappy.com stage 771. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks very much for playing, and I hope to see you next time.